You don't feel good?
Are you going to the bathroom?
I was. You know you gotta poop really bad. You can go.
Okay.
Go.
Okay.
Better be money in here.
There's tons of money in there.
Monkeys! Thanks, baby. It's really easy to zone in on stuff for me since I love monkeys, huh? Although you could have gone to koala bear too.
They didn't have koala bears.
Ah!
What?
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 Who's laughing?
Huh?
Kelly? Oh my god! Did Guy already know? Oh my god!